guys, it's Azure with Off Leash K9 Training. Today I have with me 9-month-old German Shepherd Kaiser. Kaiser is here to work on general leash obedience and home manners. So far he knows sit, down, some of the basics, but nothing really in public and nothing a little more advanced than that. His parents would like to be able to take him in public to their favorite coffee shops, breweries, and restaurants with ease of handling. He is a beautiful dog, a very smart boy. Let's see what we can do with him in 2 weeks.